Hello, good morning everybody. Today we have to start our next topic and yesterday we have to done the factor on which the resistance of a conductor depend and where we have to study the resistivity as well as the resistance and what are the factor on which the resistance and resistivity that will be depend on and over there what we have to get where we have to uh, find out on what factor does it to be depend over there and what are the factor on which it will be depend on. First factor is what the very first factor is the resistance that will be depend upon the length of the resistor and the next one is area on which the resistance that will be depend upon and the very next factor is that will be the nature of material and the very next factor as the last one factor that will be the depend on the temperature. Get it? And today we have to do what over there we have to do our numerical part which are to be interrelated to the resistivity as well as our resistance. Okay, and the very first question of your NCRT that will be here example 12.3 and I'm just going to read the statement of that very numerical and in this numerical what has to be mentioned over there in the numerical the statement is what how much current will an electric bulb that will be drawn from 220 volt source if the resistance of the bulb filament is 1200 ohm. That will be the first part of this question and the second part is what how much current will be an electric heater coil that will be drawn from 220 volt source if the resistance of heater coil is 100 ohm. It means there are the two questions which are to be mentioned over there and in that very questions we have to do what over there. फर्स्ट वन वेरी जो ए पार्ट है आपका इस न्यूमेरिकल का व्हाट द वैल्यू दैट विल बी मेंशन ओवर देयर इन देयर द वैल्यू विच इज टू बी मेंशन ओवर देयर हियर क्या क्या गिवन है आपको द 220 वोल्ट सोर्स इट मीन्स the 220 volt source means here the what value that will be mentioned over there here आपको क्या मेंशन है इस न्यूमेरिकल में here the voltage that will be mentioned over there क्या गिवन है आपको voltage mention है V that will be mentioned over there sorry एक minute just 1 minute here the V is to be mentioned over here and the V is to be given what over there the 220 volt source of voltage that will be given over there and the resistance that is a 1200 ohm which is to be given in your numerical and what you have to be find out question की statement पढ़िए how much current will be drawn it means you have to find out what over there you have to find out the current क्या निकालना है आपको current find out करना है and here we have to study what over there which is a relationship which are to be interrelated to the V, R and I that will be a Ohm's law apply करेंगे हम यहाँ पे and what the Ohm's law state over there V versus I that will give the value of R over there and where the V versus I you have to find out what over there the V is to be mentioned to you that is the 220 volt and the I you have to be find out in the numerical and the 1200 ohm that will be your resistance which is to be given in your numerical and over here when you will be divided it by 220 to 1200 then you have to get out what over there your current value. Clear? And how can you find out it द वेरी नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ओवर देयर, जो आपका बी पार्ट है, उस बी पार्ट को हम किस तरीके से यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. इन द बी पार्ट अगेन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द व्हाट ओवर देयर. अगेन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट योर करंट. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है आपको? करंट फाइंड आउट करना है. एंड इन योर करंट अगेन what is to be given in your numerical, how much current will be an electric heater coil draw from a 220 volt source if the resistance of coil heater is 100 ohm. It means the resistance कितना mention है? Resistance कितना mention है? 100 ohm. It means that will be the value of resistance. And question का statement क्या है? You have to find out the value of I over there. And the next one is what will be mentioned in your numerical. In your numerical, the value of V, that will be given, the 220 volt again. Again, you will apply the Ohm's law over there. And then according to the Ohm's law, you have to get what over there. Again, V over I, you will apply the relationship of Ohm's law. That will be equivalent to your R according to Ohm's law. And here, you have to find out the value of what over there, this I you will be find out over there, and you will be divided it by by putting the value over there, and then you will get the value of I over there by putting the value of R, which is to be mentioned in your numerical, and the value of I, which is also to be mentioned in your numerical. As the previous one, now putting the value of potential difference, it means the voltage, and the value of resistance, that will be your 100 ohm. When you will put out that value over there, then you have to get out your current, and your current unit, your answer will be come out in terms of ammeter, because ammeter is the SI unit of the current. Get it? Now the very next question देखिए हमारे पास. See to the very next question. In the next questions, what will be mentioned over there? In the next question हमारे पास क्या mention है? Next question की statement read करें हम. If we study the next question statement, what will be mentioned over here? You just all read all the statement, this statement also. आप भी read करिए statement को, so that you can find out over there. And what you will get out over there, you will find out what is to be given. The potential difference between the terminals of an electric heater is 60 volt. What is to be given? Potential difference, that will be mentioned over there. कितना mention है आपको वहाँ पे? कितना है? 60 volt, that will be mentioned over there. And then what will be given over there? कैसे find out करोगे? क्या given है? आपका कोई इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर है जिसको जहां पे पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कितना हमने अप्लाई किया है. व्हाट वी हैव टू गिवन द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ओवर देयर, हाउ मच, द 60 वोल्ट, एंड द हीटर कितना करंट ड्रॉन कर रहा है वहां पे हमारे पास. हाउ मच करंट द हीटर दैट विल बी ड्रॉन ओवर देयर. द हीटर दैट विल बी ड्रॉन द 4 एम्पियर करंट फ्रॉम द सोर्स. क्लियर? जो एक्सटर्नल सोर्स है वहां से. And when the potential difference that will be applied over there, that will be a 60 volt. Now अब वही इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर को हमारे पास क्वेश्चन देखो, वैसे तो ये अंडरस्टूड है, दैट विल बी यूज, इफ यू यूज योर माइंड देन यू कैन गिव इट्स ऑरली आंसर भी आप यहाँ पे दे सकते हो. What current will be the heater draw if the potential difference is increased to 120 volt? It means यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि कितना करंट नाउ हीटर ड्रॉ करेगा अगर हमने पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को 60 से कितना बढ़ा दिया है, डबल कर दिया. इट मीन 60 का डबल ही किया है. अब यहाँ तक हमारे पास मटेरियल सेम है, टेम्परेचर सेम है, फिजिकल कंडीशन सेम है. It means according to Ohm's law, if the physical conditions that will remain same, then V is directly proportional to I, and I is also directly proportional to your V over there. इट मीन्स इफ अगर आप V इंक्रीज करोगे तो I भी क्या करेगा, इंक्रीज करेगा. तो डेफिनेटली आपका जो आंसर आना चाहिए, इट शुड बी 8 ओम. it should be A ohm, because we have to increase the current and the I will definitely that will also to be increases over there. And now experimentally हम इसको find out करते हैं, क्योंकि हमें अभी यहाँ पे क्या given है, only this statement that will be mentioned over here. Now from to that very statement what we have to find out, we will find out over here R. क्या निकालेंगे यहाँ पे R, because यहाँ पे आपका जो हीटर है, आपका जो मटेरियल है वो क्या है, सेम है. क्या है, सेम है. When you will put here the value of I, you will put the value of V. What you have to get over there, you will get your R by applying the Ohm's law. Get it? Now V versus I, that will be equivalent to your R. जब आप यहाँ पे इसको वैल्यूज को पुट ऑन करोगे, क्या करोगे, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का वैल्यू कितना गिवन है 60 वोल्ट एंड करंट वैल्यू कितना मेंशन है बेटे वहां पे 4 एम्पियर. आपका जो रेजिस्टेंस है इट विल कम आउट द 15 सॉरी एम्पियर नहीं, इट विल बी ओम. ठीक है, बिकॉज द रेजिस्टेंस यूनिट आर द ओम. ठीक है, एंड यू कैन राइट इट ओमेगा सिंबल ऑल्सो. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट है जो हमारे पास इस क्वेश्चन का नेक्स्ट पार्ट क्या कहता है, इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी हैव टू गेट व्हाट ओवर देयर. इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट अब हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है नेक्स्ट पार्ट में. इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट अब हमारे पास वो कह रहा है कि अब हमने पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को कितना बढ़ा दिया है, 60 से 120 वोल्ट कर दिया. कितना कर दिया है, 120 वोल्ट. नाउ करंट वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करना है. अभी हमने रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट किया है. रेजिस्टेंस कितना फाइंड आउट किया है हमने, 15 कितना किया है 15 ohm, because here that very resistance that will remain the same because the material is to be same and the physical conditions that will also to be remain the same over there. And again you will apply the Ohm's law, V versus I, that will be equivalent to your R, and on the basis of that you can find out your answer and it should come out here 8 ampere. Now let us see how. ठीक है, आता भी है या नहीं आता है हमारे पास. इफ आई विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ 120 एंड आई विल डिवाइड इट बाय करंट, देन इट विल बी इक्वल टू योर 15 ohm. देन हियर 120 divided by 15, definitely you will get your answer. It will become out 8 ampere. Okay student, clear it? Okay, now you have to do up to here. Okay बच्चे, and these two numericals you will try, and then after that what we have to do, कल हम करेंगे रेजिस्टिविटी के बेसिस पे हमने न्यूमेरिकल को करना है. ओके, क्लियर है, गेट इट. कल हम रेजिस्टिविटी वाला न्यूमेरिकल करेंगे एंड नाउ ठीक है.